Hello, and welcome to our brief PowerPoint presentation on the Master of Laws or Advanced LL.M. at the KU Leuven Faculty of Law. In front of you here, we have just a little bit of practical information just to get you started about our program and our system. As you see, it's what we call an advanced master's program, which under the Flemish educational system usually follows the initial qualifying masters in order to be admitted to the Belgian bar. The language of instruction is of course in English, and it is a full-time year offering 60 ECTS in education. We are located in the beautiful and historic university city of Leuven, and our system follows a 2-semester system with an autumn semester beginning in September and exams in January, and the second semester, the winter semester, that begins in February and ends at the end of June. These, however, are of course not the data that you are looking for, so let us tell you a little bit about the legal education that we can offer and what you'd be choosing if you choose for the KU Leuven. The Faculty of Law at KU Leuven is one of the oldest and most respected faculties and universities in Europe. Our faculty, we are very proud, is ranked in the top 3 of all continental European law faculties and regularly appears in the top 35 of worldwide rankings. We are in fact number 25 in the 2021 Times Higher Education supplement. Our faculty have a strong academic tradition. We have full-time professors who engage in both research and teaching, often also engaging in legal practice. We also have faculty drawn from the professions, so judges in particular from the European Court of Justice and the European Court of Human Rights, and also that work at the European Commission in Brussels. And this gives us a faculty that has a well-rounded balance between theory and practice, and with strong networks. As I mentioned earlier, we are located in the historic city of Leuven. Leuven has been a center of higher education for more than 500 years. Our university was one of the great medieval centers of learning. It is only 20 minutes by train from Brussels and from Zaventem International Airport, so it's exceptionally well located in the heart of Europe. Moreover, Belgium's commitment to public education means that our international student fees are much more affordable than many other European states. The commitment here is to offer an affordable education that does not subsidize home students, but rather your cost is a reflection of the cost of your education. And finally, we offer an exciting summer school every year, the week before the academic program begins. All future LL.M. students are invited free of charge and can network with our summer school students and with the professors that we invite to deliver lectures on topical interests that change every year. Here you can see our admissions requirements, and I'm sure you understand that they are high. First off, we require students to have a full law degree, and the condition that we interpret that as, because law degrees are different around the world, we require you to hold a degree that allows you access to legal practice. And this means in some states that you must have a master's degree, and in other jurisdictions it is sufficient to have a bachelor's degree, which allows you to register for a vocational course at the bar or at your relevant law society. This is because our advanced LL.M. requires a full specialized knowledge of the basics, the foundations of legal knowledge. We look for evidence or potential for excellent academic performance. This can be derived from your letter of motivation, your practical experience, your letters of recommendation from your professors, and of course, your transcripts. We ask for 3 letters of recommendation, at least some from former law professors, so academic references, but of course, some may also be from practice or from professional referees as well, such as judges, if you come to know them well. We ask for a statement of purpose, where you describe your motivation for study, your future career goals, and a little bit about you, because we place great importance on a diverse and vibrant cohort. So we study each profile for your individual achievements and your individual merit. We don't look for all students to be the same. Finally, as the program is in English, and written English is an essential prerequisite for a law degree taught in English, we have high expectations for your scores. We look for a TOEFL of 100, an IELTS score of at least 7.0, and a Cambridge English score of CAE. So make sure that your examination results for language are in order before you apply, because without these, we cannot process your application and consider it in full. Now, moving on to the substance of the program itself. The Advanced LL.M at the KU Leuven allows you to choose between two options. The first is International and European Business Law, and the second is International and European Public Law. As you see, both have a set of core modules that you must take that are aligned with the overall position of the master's program and the overall specialization in it. In addition, both programs offer specialized LL.M legal clinics where you are taught by distinguished practitioners and get an opportunity to do some hands-on work. Now, one feature that we're very proud of is that whichever option you choose, you are able to take courses from the other option as an elective. And this gives you an opportunity to stay close to your LL.M cohort, but also to be able to obtain an almost dual specialization or a minor specialization. Of course, amongst your electives, you can choose from a broad array of classes that are offered throughout the master's programs at the Faculty of Law. There are also some common elements, what we call the truncus communis in Latin. The first is that each student must write a master's thesis, which is worth 1/4 of your total degree, and you are under the supervision of one of our professors to do that. In addition, there is a 4-credit course called Global Law. Global Law is a course that we offer in which we invite professors from all over the world to our faculty who come and share their knowledge and expertise in respect of whatever their specialization is. They are not specifically international lawyers. Rather, they may have a comparative element or a domestic element. Above all, it is an opportunity for you to engage with academics from all over the world. And as mentioned earlier, there is a long list of elective courses that are offered across our master's curriculum, across our notarial or criminology programs, and you are free to choose from these courses. You are provided with a list upon admission. Finally, and I'm sure you all understand and are thinking about this as you engage in postgraduate study, your career and employability are important to us and have been essential elements in how the program has been designed. Once you choose your specialization, certain doors open. For example, in the business law specialization, you become an ideal candidate to work in legal practice, or perhaps in business-facing government departments and international institutions. Those of you that specialize on the public international law or European public law side, in addition, gain the expertise for the non-governmental sector, as well as specialized international institutions such as those headquartered in Brussels, including NATO and the European Commission, but also those of Geneva, The Hague, Vienna, and abroad. We also take the view, in offering this LL.M, that studying abroad broadens your personal horizons. It offers you an opportunity to network with students from all over the world, a diverse cohort drawn from every continent, and to essentially spread your wings and explore a new way of learning beyond your national jurisdiction. The KU Leuven has an alumni network which is strong, and we have strong links for your future career with both the institutions headquartered in Brussels as well as international institutions in The Hague, Geneva, and beyond. Our program, being taught in English, requires you to learn and improve your written and spoken English. If it is not your first language, we think that the opportunity to be immersed in such a program will inevitably improve your legal drafting skills in English, which is a skill that is looked upon very favorably by employers, as in the 21st century, English is very much a lingua franca, especially in the practice of law. And finally, we take pride that our program is academically rigorous and it provides excellent preparation for further postgraduate studies, whether it is a PhD or an additional master's. And indeed, if research and legal reasoning is your passion, we think it can lead in due course to a potential academic career. This concludes our presentation. For further information, the web link is www.law.kuleuven.be/LLM for any further information on the application procedure. Thank you for listening.